Is your child suffering with acne on their face or their skin? It could be the curly products they are using that's causing the acne. Usually you have acne in your teens and adults, but sometimes toddlers can actually get acne from these products. I'm going to list a variety for you. There's a lot. This could be the reason your child is getting all these bumps on their face or their skin. It's just because of the products they're using. The products you're using on your child. Apricot oil, palm oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, corn oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, cottonseed oil, soybean oil, olive oil, a lot of oils. So basically oils can cause this. I use jojoba oil and sometimes I get irritant. I used rosemary oil on my hair and oh my goodness, I had an irritation like none other. I will put a link for you to watch that video. It explains what happened to me. I had to wash my hair out straight away. But yeah, these are all the oils and all the things you need to stay away from. Just remember, just because this is on the list, it doesn't mean that's what your child has the irritation on. It could be something else. But if you remove it and see that it goes away, then obviously that's what it is. Or if you find actually it's not that, you can keep using it. I'm not saying stop using these altogether. I'm just saying this could be the reason that your child is getting acne from these products. Like shea butter and cocoa butter, those are prime products that are in lots of our hair products. They are so good for our hair. So if your child is allergic, has an acne, a skin problem because of them, that's unfortunate. But then you need to get a safer one, you know. I'm sure there are other products without shea butter and cocoa butter, but they are used a lot. A lot of my products have that. Even my lotion, I use lots with shea butter, cocoa butter, sorry. My other one's aloe vera, but I'm thinking like there's a lot of these, but I'm not saying aloe vera is the problem. I'm just saying you need to remove it and then see what the problem is. Go to your doctor as well. They can help you to know what to do. I'm going to list 6 products that don't have these and hopefully are safe for you to use. I'd say they shouldn't cause acne, but as I say, your child is individual. We all have different skin irritants. We have different allergies, so this could be, it could be one of these as well. I don't know. If it is, put a comment. And put a comment of the products you use that help your child if your child does have acne, because you're probably watching this video because your child has acne, right? So if you put a comment, it will benefit other mums and dads who have the same problem with their kids. The other option is if you find so many products aren't working, you can make your own products out of banana and avocado and egg and all these things that, you know, are pretty good. There's so many. I'm sure you can look them up on Pinterest. I'm sure. I haven't used it myself, but I used to use mayonnaise, like hair mayonnaise. There's so many things you can use apart from this. It's just be careful when you make your own treatments at home. They can go bad very quickly. So I wouldn't use them over a long period of time. If you use them, put them in the fridge, use them within 2 days, 3 days. Don't make a bunch and think this will last. There's preservatives in the products we have. You know, the products that we buy have preservatives and have been tried and tested in laboratories, so they can last you 12 months. Generally, products have a shelf life of 12 months the minute you open them. But if you are making your own product, that's proper natural stuff. There's no preservatives in there whatsoever, so it will go bad, I assure you. And you don't want to put products in your hair that have gone baldy, or your child's hair. You don't want to do that. You will cause problems. Please don't do that. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. I thought this could help you. I know this isn't the best thing for your child to be going through, but there is a way out of it. So thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't liked this video yet, what are you waiting for? If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, why haven't you? You know, leave a comment. I want to know what you think and what questions you have. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.